Hello friends, welcome back. Do you find it difficult to solve story sums or word problems? Today, I'm going to teach you a simple trick. It is the 4-step rule. The 4-step rule is very simple. Step 1, bigger number. Step 2, smaller number. Step 3, facts. And step 4, symbol. So let's remember this. Bigger number, smaller number, facts and symbol. Now let us understand with an example. A shopkeeper has 2,367 juice bottles in his shop. He also has 1,010 milk bottles. How many bottles does he have in all in his shop? Now let's try and solve this story sum with the 4-step rule. Step 1. Bigger number. Find the bigger value or number given on your story sum and put it on the right side of the first column. In this sum, the bigger value given is 2367. So in place of bigger number, we will write 2367. Next is step 2, smaller number. Now look for the smaller value given in the sum and put it right under the bigger value. In this case, it is 1010. So we write 1010 right under 2367. Next is step 3, facts. By facts, we mean the information or statement given in the story sum about each number or value. So for the first value, that is 2367, the fact given is a shopkeeper has 2,367 juice bottles in his shop. So all we need to do is simply jot down this fact on the left hand side of the value. So we can write total number of juice bottles in the shop, or in short, juice bottles in the shop. Now let's jot down the fact for the next value. It states he also had 110 milk bottles. So the fact for this value is milk bottles in the shop. So here we are done with step 3, and now comes the last step, symbol. Symbol denotes addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. In this step, we need to ascertain that in order to solve the story sum, do we need to add, subtract, multiply or divide the values. In this sum, we've been asked how many bottles are there in all in the shop. So the total of juice bottles and milk bottles together will give us the total number of bottles in the shop. Hence, we need to add these two values and the symbol will be addition. And here we are, ready to solve the word problem. Numbers, check. Facts, check. Symbol, check. Now all you need to do is add these two values and find the answer. So there are 3,377 bottles in all. Now, wasn't that really simple with the 4-step rule? If you found the 4-step rule helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.